Soon after stepping down as the President of India, Pranab Mukherjee had changed his Twitter handle to Citizen Mukherjee as a reminder that as a president he was merely the first citizen, and after his tenure ended, he becomes a citizen of India like the rest of the people. However, few Indian citizens have lived a life that Mukherjee has. From humble beginnings in a village in West Bengal to becoming the head of the nation he served so diligently in his career, spanning over 5 decades, his is a rare story of a man who truly climbed up the ladder steadily to reach great heights and remain firmly rooted to earth. He has been penning down his life's experiences in a diary, which he once said would be published posthumously by his daughter. He did not wish to have them published in his lifetime, as they are an honest account of what he has seen, and he has seen a lot, having worked under his mentor Indira Gandhi and then Narasimha Rao when sweeping economic reforms came into force in India, and finally under Manmohan Singh during a time it was claimed by the BJP that the government was split between two centers of power. Besides this, Pranab Mukherjee had served as finance minister in both pre-liberalization and post-liberalization eras. Pranab Mukherjee was fond of quoting the father of Chinese economic reforms, Deng Xiaoping. He once said in an interview that he likes to take rounds in his lawn with just himself and his thoughts. "I take 40 rounds of my lawn measuring 90 meters, which I'm told makes about 3.5 kilometers, he said. He then joked that if he does get elevated as the president, then he wouldn't need to take as many rounds as the president estate has larger lawns. Pranab Mukherjee was also once the front runner for the prime ministerial candidate when Manmohan Singh was chosen over him. He has often been asked by the media about his prime ministerial ambitions, which he always denied, citing, among other things, his inadequate command of Hindi.